India has told China not to shift goalposts and confuse managing the border affairs and restoring peace at the frontiers with the larger issue of the resolution of the boundary question, which is dealt with by different designated mechanisms, reports PTI. After the standoff erupted in eastern Ladakh in May last year, India has consistently maintained that peace and tranquility in the border areas are essential for the overall development of relations between the two countries. Besides being neighbors, India and China are also large and emerging economies, and it is not unusual to have differences and problems. Indian envoy to China, Vikram Misri, said while addressing the fourth high-level Track 2 dialogue on China-India relations held on September 23rd. The meeting held virtually was co-hosted by the School of International Studies of Sichuan University, China Center for South Asian Studies, and Manohar Parrikar Institute for Defense Studies and Analysis, in which several former envoys and scholars took part. Besides Misri, China's ambassador to India, Sun Weidong, also participated in the meeting. Referring to multifaceted dialogue held by the two countries since last year, including several rounds of talks between the top military officials on both sides and the meetings between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi to resolve the military standoff in eastern Ladakh, Misri said these contacts have resulted in significant progress on the ground. Following disengagement in the Galwan Valley in July last year, the two sides have been able to disengage from the north and south banks of the Pangong Lake in February 2021 and most recently from Gogra in August 2021, he said. The conversation between the two sides continues regarding the remaining locations, and we hope that disengagement at the remaining friction areas will enable us to reach a point where we can pick up the threads of bilateral cooperation, he said. The experience of this multifaceted dialogue over the last year and a half led me to believe that we are well equipped when it comes to resolving pressuring issues in the bilateral relationship, he added. Our leaders have in the past concurred that we must work out issues peacefully, prevent differences from turning into disputes, and most importantly, preserve peace and tranquility in our border areas. The India-China border dispute covers a 3,488-kilometer line of actual control. China claims Arunachal Pradesh as part of South Tibet, which is firmly rejected by India. Misri also said China should not take a one-sided view of mutual concerns and sensitivities. Both countries engage in key global dialogues while simultaneously pursuing their objectives in several smaller forums whose members have shared interests, he said. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.